Hello, and welcome to Analyzing Student Work. My name is Catalina, and today I will be displaying the work of two students in order to analyze their process on a math problem, compare their work, and decide if they need any remediation in the particular area, and what plan of action needs to be implemented for them. I will be analyzing the work of two students. These students are first graders, and student 1 is a girl, and student 2 is a boy. I picked these two students because they are part of an after-school tutoring program for math. Therefore, they tend to struggle in the subject. In the first grade classroom, the students start the math lesson each day by completing a problem of the day from a worksheet labeled Monday through Friday. Since the students are required to keep their weekly worksheets, I gave them a blank piece of paper to complete the problem of the day on. By doing this, I got the information I needed while still allowing them to keep their own worksheet for their own personal use. This is a blank copy of the worksheet that the students were working on for the appropriate week. And this is the problem of the day that the students worked on. The problem states, Friday, Tommy had some pencils. 6 pencils were red, 7 pencils were blue. How many pencils did Tommy have? These worksheets usually consist of all three types of change problems: result unknown, change unknown, and start unknown. The math problem that the students are completing for this day is a result unknown word problem. The Van de Waal text states that according to Common Core state standards, first graders should be able to add and subtract up to 20. So let's see how student 1 did for this particular standard. Here we see that student 1 answered the problem correctly by adding 6 and 7 and getting a correct answer of 13. She wrote a traditional algorithm by writing a linear math equation to display her work. As you can see, student 1 did not display how she got 13 by using pictures or any other kind of strategy. Nevertheless, she still got the correct answer. Now, let's look at student 2. He also added the correct numbers of 6 and 7 together to get the correct answer of 13. He also did not use any type of pictorial strategies to show his thought process. He wrote his answer by writing a traditional algorithm and a linear math equation. Now, to compare the work of the students, both students, student 1 and student 2, used the correct numbers, 6 and 7, the correct operation of addition, and were able to get the right answer of 13 to the word problem. They also both wrote a linear equation to show their work. For these two students, they are not displaying any errors or mathematical misunderstandings when it comes to this result unknown word problem. Neither student should be remediated or retaught this lesson because they obviously got the answer right. The textbook states on page 262 that we as teachers should ask students how they got their answers. The next step for this small group of students, student 1 and student 2, is to ask them how they got their answer in order to understand their thought process better. It would also be beneficial to encourage these students to display their work using another strategy. This would give them a chance to challenge themselves. That's all for this analysis, and thanks for watching.